Hello everybody. In this video we are going to list down top 5 Facebook marketing strategies. The first step to any successful social media campaign is to have a solid strategy. You need to know what you want to accomplish before you start. Do you just want likes? Or do you want to build a community around your brand? Are you looking to drive traffic back to your website? Once you know what you want to achieve, then you can begin planning out how you're going to get there. Let us see the top 5 Facebook marketing strategies you can use to promote your brand or business. First one is Facebook post ads. Once you have a plan, you can move on to the next step, creating ads. There are two types of ads you can create, standard and promoted. Promoted posts appear at the top of news feeds, so they catch the attention of users who might not even look at your page otherwise. To make sure you don't miss out on potential customers, you should always set aside budget for promoted posts. Second way to connect with your potential customers is Facebook groups. If you own a business, you probably already have a Facebook group for your employees. Why not take advantage of this and turn it into a tool for connecting with your customers? Create a group called Existing Customers, or Customers Who Bought From Us, or something similar, and invite your past customers to join. Ask them questions about their experience and encourage them to leave feedback. If you notice anything negative, you can address it right away. Then you can also create Facebook page in the name of your business or brand. A Facebook page is a special kind of social media account that's dedicated to your business. Like a personal profile, you can upload profile photo, set up a cover photo, invite friends, and upload content. But unlike a personal profile, your fans can comment on your updates, share them, and interact with you directly. Your Facebook page is a great place to connect with your current and potential customers. Then there is a Facebook Messenger. Messenger is a free messaging app owned by Facebook. You can send messages to anyone who uses Facebook, no matter if they're a friend or not. You can use it to communicate with your customers and remind them of upcoming promotions and events. You can display your products on your Facebook page, and your customers can now buy products or services without leaving Facebook Messenger. All a customer will have to do is tap the new Buy Now button. And finally, the fifth best Facebook marketing strategy is Facebook Live. Another great way to connect with your audience is via live streaming video. You can share videos directly to your Facebook page and reach a wider audience. You can show your products in the video to your audience and generate orders. Your viewers will be able to ask questions and interact with you, increasing engagement and building relationships with your target market. Hope you have understood these top 5 Facebook marketing strategies best for your business or service. Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment if you got any query, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe digitally.